Hello, we're thrilled to have you here. Show some love with a like and do subscribe. No cost to you, but a world of support for us. Remember, YouTube smiles on those who share the love. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we will be discussing an important and often overlooked topic, herpes. This comprehensive guide will delve into natural treatments, precautions to take, and prevention strategies. We'll explore everything from what triggers an outbreak to how you can manage the condition with simple at-home remedies. And remember, it's always a great idea to stay updated with our latest content, so do hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's dive into the details without further ado. First of all, what exactly is herpes? Herpes is a viral infection that often results in painful and bothersome skin lesions. It is caused by one of two types of herpes simplex viruses, which are HSV-1 and HSV-2. HSV-1 typically causes oral herpes, leading to cold sores or fever blisters around the mouth. On the other hand, HSV-2 is generally responsible for genital herpes. However, both types can cause symptoms in either the facial or genital area. Now let's delve into the symptoms of herpes. They can vary greatly from person to person. Some people might not even know they have the virus, as symptoms can be mild or mistaken for another skin condition. When present, symptoms include blisters or sores, itchiness, and pain during urination. It's also worth noting that these symptoms can reoccur. This is known as an outbreak, and it's often when the virus is most contagious. But why does herpes occur in the first place? The virus is highly contagious and can be transmitted through direct contact with a herpes sore, skin contact with an infected area, or through saliva, even when a person is not showing any symptoms. Once the virus enters your body, it can lay dormant for years before causing an outbreak. Herpes episodes can be triggered by a variety of factors: stress, sun exposure, a weakened immune system, or even menstruation in women can all trigger an outbreak. It's interesting to note that the triggers can be as unique as the individuals themselves. Understanding these triggers is key to managing the disease. For instance, if stress triggers your outbreaks, stress management techniques can be beneficial. If sun exposure is a trigger, wearing sunblock can help prevent outbreaks. Understanding these causes can help us prevent the recurrence of herpes. It's crucial to remember that while herpes is a common condition, it's also a manageable one. With the right knowledge and the right tools, you can successfully navigate life with herpes. Now that we know what herpes is and why it occurs, we move on to the most important part: how to treat it naturally. In our quest to find natural remedies for herpes, we have discovered a few that show promising results. First on the list is tea tree essential oil. Renowned for its antiviral and antibacterial properties, this oil can be applied directly to the affected area. A few drops can go a long way in reducing swelling and accelerating the healing process. Next up, we have raw honey. This natural sweetener isn't just for satisfying your sweet tooth. It's packed with powerful antibacterial and antiviral properties. By applying a small amount of honey to the lesion, you can help reduce pain and prevent infection. It's nature's own soothing balm. Another natural remedy that has been used for centuries to treat a variety of ailments is aloe vera. The gel from this plant is known for its soothing and healing properties. By applying aloe vera gel to the lesion, you can reduce itching and speed up the healing process. It's like a cool drink of water for your skin. Last, but certainly not least, is lysine. This essential amino acid isn't produced by our bodies but can be obtained through our diet. Incorporating lysine-rich foods such as meat, fish, dairy, and legumes can help reduce the frequency of herpes outbreaks. It's like adding a secret weapon to your dietary arsenal. But remember, while these remedies can help alleviate symptoms and speed up the healing process, they are not a substitute for consulting with a healthcare professional. It's crucial to seek medical advice before starting any new treatment, particularly if you are already taking other medications. Natural doesn't always mean safe, and what works for one person might not work for another. It's also important to note that these treatments are most effective when used at the first sign of an outbreak. The earlier you start, the better your chances of reducing the severity and duration of symptoms. So in summary, tackling herpes naturally involves a combination of tea tree oil, raw honey, aloe vera, and lysine. These remedies can provide symptomatic relief and aid in the healing process. But remember, always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment regimen. By using these natural remedies, you can alleviate symptoms and speed up the healing process. But the fight against herpes doesn't stop there. In the next section, we'll discuss precautions and preventive measures to help keep herpes at bay, so stay tuned. In addition to treating herpes naturally, it's important to take precautions to prevent its recurrence. Just as we have a responsibility to care for our bodies when we're ill, we also have a duty to protect them from potential harm. Let's delve into some key precautions you can take to ward off herpes and keep your overall health in check. Firstly, let's talk about stress management. Stress can be a trigger for herpes outbreaks. It's no secret that our lives are filled with stressors, from work pressures to personal issues. But it's how we manage these stressors that can truly make a difference. Practicing stress management techniques can help reduce the frequency of herpes attacks. These techniques can range from yoga and meditation to deep breathing exercises or even a simple walk in the park. The key is to find a method that works for you and incorporate it into your daily routine. Moving on, sun protection is another crucial aspect. Sun exposure and UV radiation can trigger herpes. Therefore, it's essential to always use broad-spectrum sunscreen when outdoors. Whether it's a sunny day at the beach or a quick run to the grocery store, protecting your skin from the sun's harmful rays can help prevent herpes outbreaks. Next, let's talk about boosting your immune system. A strong immune system can help prevent the recurrence of herpes. The state of our immune system is often a reflection of our overall health. So, how can we keep our immune system strong? The answer lies in maintaining a healthy lifestyle. This includes a balanced diet filled with vitamins and minerals, regular exercise, and adequate rest. By taking care of your body, you're not only protecting yourself from herpes, but also enhancing your overall well-being. Lastly, during a herpes outbreak, it's important to avoid direct contact with active lesions. This reduces the risk of transmitting the infection to others. It's essential to keep in mind that herpes can be contagious, even when you're not experiencing an outbreak. Therefore, practicing safe measures can help protect both you and those around you. In summary, managing herpes and preventing its recurrence is a multi-step process. It involves not only treating the symptoms, but also taking proactive measures to prevent future outbreaks. By managing stress, protecting your skin from the sun, boosting your immune system, and avoiding contact with active lesions, you can reduce the risk of herpes recurrence. Remember, every step you take towards your health matters. No matter how small it may seem, your body is your temple, and it's up to you to protect and care for it. So take these precautions to heart and make them a part of your routine. With time, patience, and consistency, you can navigate through life with herpes and still live a fulfilling and healthy life. By following these precautions, you can reduce the risk of herpes recurrence. In conclusion, herpes is a common but manageable issue. Throughout our discussion, we've delved into the nature of herpes, understanding it as a viral infection caused by the herpes simplex viruses. It's important to remember that these viruses can be triggered by various factors, including stress, sun exposure, a weakened immune system, and even menstruation in women. As we've discussed, there are several natural remedies that can be used to treat herpes, such as tea tree oil, raw honey, aloe vera, and lysine. These natural treatments are known for their antiviral, antibacterial, and healing properties, and can help alleviate symptoms and speed up the healing process. But remember, it's always important to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment regimen. Preventing recurrence is just as crucial as treating the symptoms. We've explored different precautions to take, like managing stress through techniques like yoga and meditation, protecting your skin from sun exposure with broad-spectrum sunscreen, and boosting your immunity by maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Remember, avoiding direct contact with active lesions during an outbreak is key to reducing the risk of transmission. By understanding herpes, utilizing natural treatments, and taking necessary precautions, it's possible to manage this common issue effectively. Don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare professional with any questions or concerns you may have. Thank you for watching the video. See you next time.